Hello, my friends. In the world of modern agriculture, using robots to harvest millions of tons of fruit every day is an important breakthrough. The combination of technology and production not only optimizes processes, but also demonstrates the power of artificial intelligence and automation in the agricultural industry. Let's explore how robots are increasing agricultural productivity and meeting the growing demand for food. From complex algorithms to delicate gears, these technologically intelligent helpers work tirelessly day and night to keep our fruit boxes full and bring joy to our taste buds. How do they do it? What's their secret? And how did these engineering masterpieces conquer the agricultural landscape almost overnight? Garden robots are the lifeblood of every garden, as these specialized machines have completely transformed the way gardens are maintained, from pruning to fruit harvesting and even pest control. But what makes garden robots so special? An artificial intelligence robot system can solve this problem. The orchards pose diverse challenges with different terrains, fruit shapes and sizes. Designing robots capable of moving and performing delicate tasks in this environment has become possible thanks to advances in robotics and artificial intelligence. Do you find these robots useful? If so, please leave comment number 1. So, what makes these robots superior to human labor? And what does their emergence mean for the future of agriculture? One of the main drivers behind the adoption of garden robots is their cost-effectiveness compared to human labor. This is quite simple. While the initial investment in robotics may be large and expensive, the long-term labor cost savings are significant. Studies have shown that over time, robots can surpass humans in tasks such as pruning and harvesting fruit, increasing farmers' efficiency and profitability. With such performance, there is no doubt that the future of garden tasks is an indistinguishable part of automation. As technology advances, we can expect the emergence of more complex robots, capable of performing tasks with greater precision. Applications could include pest control via drones and real-time data analysis to optimize fruit harvests. Today, orchard robots have revolutionized the way orchards are managed, with features superior to human labor, such as high precision, an important factor in fruit agriculture. Robots play a very important role in the fruit industry because, with incomparable precision, these robots perform tasks delicately, delivering premium quality fruit-saving energy and increasing productivity. What's more important for increasing annual productivity is the continuous operation of the robot, working 24/7 for many years in a row. Robots can harvest, sort, and identify products with an accuracy unmatched by any human activity. Because they're equipped with advanced sensors and artificial intelligence algorithms, these robots easily navigate changing environmental conditions, adjusting their operations for maximum performance regardless of the circumstances. But it doesn't stop there. In addition to being versatile, they are also very good at collecting data. Sensors allowing them to collect extremely valuable data on soil health, crop yield trends, and pest invasion. But the important thing is not just that. Farmers can make decisions based on this data, adapting their methods for optimal results. Today, for farmers, the application of garden robots brings many benefits, not only helping them save labor costs, but also increasing productivity, reducing dependence on pesticides, and improving overall performance. In addition, robots can help reduce labor shortages during peak seasons and reduce physical stress on agricultural workers. While the adoption of garden robots may raise concerns about job losses, it's important to understand their overall positive impact on the agricultural industry. By increasing efficiency and profitability, robots help ensure the long-term sustainability of orchards and make an important contribution to global food security. Furthermore, the creation of jobs in the robotics industry and the need for skilled technicians to maintain and operate these machines creates new employment opportunities. In short, garden robots represent a groundbreaking innovation in the world of agriculture. With their ability to automate complex tasks and improve overall performance, they provide a promising glimpse into the future of agriculture. The undeniable benefits of robots for farmers and industry make them vital in creating sustainable and efficient food systems. But before going to an orchard, you must plant the seeds first. So, the question now is, are there any robots that can help with that? And how can they do it better than humans? Let's move on as we delve into today's agricultural scene. In today's agricultural era, where efficiency and sustainability are both important, the emergence of crop monitoring drones has changed the agricultural landscape. During the planting process, farmers today often use modern machinery to improve efficiency and reduce labor. First, they use plows or seeders to prepare the land and sow seeds automatically and evenly in the field. Automatic transplanters are controlled by GPS to ensure precision in seeding and spacing between rows of plants. Automatic irrigation machines can then be used to deliver water effectively, based on soil moisture and weather conditions. These drones are equipped with advanced sensors, such as temperature, humidity, and multispectral imaging, providing detailed information about crop health. But how do they work? The dexterity required to manipulate and harvest small objects is a particular challenge for robotic hands. Compared to traditional methods such as manual inspection or satellite imagery, crop surveillance drones offer superior performance and efficiency. This technology saves labor costs and allows for timely intervention, preventing small problems from becoming big ones. Furthermore, by precisely targeting distributed resources such as fertilizers, pesticides, and water, farmers can minimize waste and environmental impact while maximizing resource use. The result is higher productivity and profits, making farming more sustainable in the long term. In addition to economic benefits, crop monitoring drones are also playing an important role in promoting environmental responsibility. They help reduce the use of agricultural chemicals, minimize land destruction, and save water resources.